Hey there, Ryan here. Silly Reviews. I'm going to show you how to turn off automatic billing for your registered domain over at IONOS. And I don't know how to pronounce that. IONOS? IONOS? How do you pronounce that? Leave a phonetic spelling in the comments if you could. But this is how you turn off automatic billing, and it's important to turn off automatic billing if you don't want to automatically be billed. But I'll tell you what else is interesting here. They have $1 domain specials where you could get a .com for a year. And then the renewal price is kind of high. I think it's around 20 bucks. But maybe it was for a project you have no use for and you didn't use a privacy card, which you should. More about that link in the description. But this is how you cancel automatic billing. And I will warn you that this company, I don't know if they're really putting you into collections because I don't know how they can do that. But if your automatic billing, your rebill is on and it fails to rebill you, somehow, even though your domain no longer works, they start sending you like threatening you're in debt collection letters, which is bizarre because they're not providing a service that they're failing to bill you on, which doesn't make sense, but they will immediately send you these aggressive emails. It's wild. So enough of the blabbering. Here we are. This is the page that you're on when you first log in. What you will want to do here is tap on your little profile guy up in the top right. And this is on mobile, but this will be virtually identical if you're on a desktop browser. So tap yourself. So this is the first page you get to when you log in. And you'll have this little sliding menu over here. You see that? You can tap the arrow or you can slide it. Now this little menu disappears if you go off of this page into something else. It goes away. It's bizarre. I seem to only see this when I very first initially log in. And it's helpful because what you want to do is find the option where it says Renewals and Transfers. Go there. This will lead you to the promised land of turning off your recurring billing, your automatic billing for your domain registrations or whatever services you have through IONOS. Again, send me a phonetic spelling in the comments if you know how to pronounce that. So you can see here, it presents you with a nice little red action here, disable automatic renewal. That's exactly what you want to do. Now, even though my domain doesn't seem to be set to automatically renew for another 4 months or so, we're going to go ahead and just knock that out now because I would much rather be in control of that rebill. I don't know if I want to continue with the project. If I do, I'll decide to put in payment information and make the payment. I don't want to surprise 20 come out and not know where it came from, not be expecting it. So we're going to tap on the disable automatic renewal and let's see how easy is this if they try to stop us from doing it. Are we sure? Things like that. Okay, look, we're sorry to see that you no longer need your domains. Well, that doesn't mean I don't need them. I just don't want to be automatically billed for it. I would rather see an email come in reminding me, hey, your domain's expiring in 2 weeks or something like that. So we're just going to put other and type in other. Now, I surely don't hope this isn't like getting indignant and is going to cancel my account or my domain simply because I'm telling it 4 months ahead of time, hey, I don't want to be automatically rebuild. I'd like to be in control of it. Let's see what happens. Your contract will remain active and may potentially continue to incur charges. Well, that's weird. All email addresses and websites associated with the domain will be inaccessible after expiration. So we haven't expired, so that's fine. You lose ownership of the domain. All scary stuff, right? That's funny. Let's see. All email accounts. These can only be restored within 7 days by our paid recovery service. Now, that's not generous at all because a lot of registrars will give you a generous amount of time if you've forgotten to renew your website or your domain. They're playing hardball and basically restored within 7 days. And even in that 7-day window, that tiny little window, it's a paid recovery service. Ooh, they're brutal over here. Last chance. My domain value is estimated at 76 bucks. Whoop-de-doo. So let's see. Don't become a bit. Protect yourself. Okay. So we're just going to click that because we're not scared. I just hate how it says keep domain. I'm keeping my domain. It's mine. It's mine for another 4 months. But the other option simply say, it doesn't say give up my domain. It says disable automatic renewal. So that's what we're going to do. Following domain will not be renewed after the expiration date. Seems good. I already have a reminder set up multiple ways. They'll probably remind me. So we're good to go. Look, we'll also send you an email with all the important information about disabling. That's great. Last chance to keep it. No, I don't want it. So I should be done. And that is a long-winded explanation of how to cancel automatic billing, recurring billing with this particular domain registrar. And we can see here, this option now has changed and says that domain will be deleted in 149 days. That's more like 3 months, isn't it? I mean, 5 months. Alrighty. Okay, and you see here, yeah, look at this option. It gives you the option to enable automatic renewals. So we're all set. That's how you do it. If you have any other questions or any other helpful information, or do you have any kind of history or experiences that you would like to share? Do you have any feedback about your time, whether it be in the past or currently with this domain registrar? Love to read your story in the comments. Thanks for watching.